All the sounds produced in English are either voiced or voiceless. Some of the consonant sounds produced in English sound very similar. The reason being is because many times the only difference between them is that one is voiced and the other is voiceless. Why does this matter? Well, it matters a great deal in English pronunciation. Some second language speakers of English confuse voiceless and voiced consonants.
Is the Blau not alive?
Oh, this is too bad. He should be here.
You wanna give Mr. Blau a massage?
I presume you mean message.
Collect.
When you confuse voiceless and voiced sounds, your meaning can be difficult to understand to your listener. This video will help you understand the difference and give you some simple techniques to tell the difference between the two. A simple explanation of a voiced consonant is that they use the voice. Technique 1. Place your hand on your throat as you say the sounds. If you feel a vibration, the consonant is voiced. If you don't feel a vibration, the consonant is voiceless. For example, fan and van. V, v, v. Which word do you feel a vibration? That's right, van. Therefore, van is voiced and fan is voiceless. Sometimes it is still very difficult to feel the difference between a voiced and voiceless sound. Technique 2. Press your fingers against the opening of your ears. The sound a snake makes. The sound a bee makes. Press your fingers against the opening of your ears and say the word hiss, continuing the final S until you hear it clearly. Hiss. Now, press your fingers against the opening of your ears and say the word buzz, continuing the final Z until you hear the difference from the S. Buzz. The buzzing of the Z is called voicing. Z is a voiced sound. S is a voiceless sound. Note that when you whisper, you're not voicing any of the sounds. Practice saying each sound, switching back and forth until you can hear the difference between the voiced and voiceless sound. If you're still confused, don't worry. Use the two mentioned techniques to practice each alphabet letter. The voiced consonants are B, D, G, J, L, M, N, R, V, W, Y, and Z. The voiceless consonants are F, H, C and K, P, S, T, and X. Remember, voiceless consonants do not use the voice. Therefore, you will feel no vibration in your throat. Just a short explosion of air as you pronounce. To make it easier for you, here is a chart of contrasting consonants, meaning the position of the mouth is exactly the same, but one is voiced and the other is voiceless. Fan, v, van, sip, z, zip, pin, bin, pen, d, d, den, k, k, coat, g, g, goat. Let's practice using minimal pairs. Minimal pairs are two words that have the same pronunciation except for one sound. For example, fan and van are minimal pairs. The only difference between the two sounds is the first sound. The F in fan is voiceless, fan, and the V in van is voice, van. Here is a list of minimal pairs where the first consonant is a voiced or voiceless sound. Repeat after me. Bear, pear, ben, pen, cap, gap, do, to, file, vial, plot, blot, sue, zoo, toll, dole, sip, zip. Now listen and choose the word that is different. Bear, pear, bear. Ben, pen, pen. Cap, cap, gap. Do, to. File, vial, vial. Plot, plot, blot. Sue, zoo, sue. Toll, dole, dole. Sip, zip, sip. Here is a list of minimal pairs where the final sound is a voice or voiceless consonant. Repeat after me. Bed, bet. Belief, believe. Cup, cob. Hiss, his. Lib, lip. Luck, lug. Neat, need. Prize, price. Safe, save. Tab, tap. White, wide. Now listen and choose the word that is different. Bed, bet, bed. Belief, believe, belief. Cop, cob, cob. His, hiss, his. Lib, lip, lip. Luck, luck, lug. Need, neat, need. Prize, price, prize. Safe, save, save. Tab, tab, tap. White, wide, white. That's it for today. I hope you had fun. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for new videos. See you next time.